Hi, so all of you are now ready for your exam, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. First, entire team Yourpedia wish you all the very best for your exam. I'm very sure you will do good in this your exam, and we wish that you score really good in the paper. See, first before I tell you how to attempt paper and how to consider certain important points, let me tell you that before exam you should be totally relaxed. If you want to increase the speed and accuracy in the paper, then you should be very relaxed. Comfortable sleep, no tension, reaching the examination hall before time along with your water bottle and maybe hand sanitizer. Those things are required. So you should be very calm, comfortable. Make sure you reach examination hall in time, that means before time, and you are at peace. You are not mixing with others, you are not talking with others, and you are having good sleep previous night, and you are having something to eat and water with you, so that you do not have any trouble. So that is the first requisite. So stop studying now. You need not to read now, you need not to study now. Have a good food and stop thinking about कैसा पेपर होगा, what score I am going to get. Stop thinking about that. It is not required. Let me give you some points how to go in the examination hall, how to attempt the paper. So as we know, there are two paper, ATC and AO. I will tell you about both of them, both the papers, what is to be done. So if you see the rough estimation, this particular pattern of the exam. So ATC, if I talk about 120 questions, 120 minute. So 1 minute, one question. That is what you have to do. And your target should be 90 plus. General category, you should have 90 plus target for this paper. And that 90 plus target simply means that even if you know paper of 100 question only you know. So rest of 20 maybe you can score 5, 6. There's no negative marking. So rest of the 20 may say you can hit 6, 7 marks. I will tell you how. Reach the end of my video. I'm going to tell you what is the smart way of guessing the marks. Suppose you know only 100 questions, 20 you do not know. So last 20 may you are going to have a blind guess, but blind guess can also be intellectually done. It can also be made through some strategy. So if you want to jump my entire video and know that how to attempt those 20 questions which I don't know, then go to the end. I'm going to explain there how to guess, and out of 20 how to score 6, 7 questions correct. That is the pattern. I will tell you about that. Now let's go and see how to, suppose my preparation is of 90 or 100 marks, how to maximize and optimize that. These are the 4 sections: physics, maths, English, quantitative reasoning, and these are the roughly questions and marks. Airport operation में 12 question each from aviation terms and general principle of management, that I will come little later. So this my entire interaction is going to be 5-7 minutes. Watch it completely. So I divided entire my 2 hours into 3 parts. First hour, then second half hour, then third half hour. First hour, second half hour, third half hour. This is how I divided it. Now what I did is, first hour mein I know this out of 120 question, 50 to 60 questions will be very simple. Normally if the previous year paper, if you see and if you have prepared well, 50-60 questions, 50-60 questions are going to be very easy. So 60-70 questions are first hour. First hour mein we need to keep a pace. One question 1 minute correct, one question 1 minute correct, one question 1 minute correct. That is the strategy, and if you do that, nothing can stop you from getting good score. Listen again carefully. First hour is going to be very crucial. Like cricket match mein, first couple of overs are very important for basically making the huge score. Similarly, first hour is very important in this paper, because in this first hour, one question, 1 mark correct. That is very important. Next 1 hour may correct will not be there, much correct will not be there, because degree of difficulty will increase. Now the question is, how do I know, sir, which question I know or not? Now the only option for that is, you need to see entire paper. You need to go from first question till 120th question. You need to go, keeping in mind that I'm not to stop for more than 1 minute at one question. I'm not to stop more than 1 minute at one question. I can solve some question in 30 seconds. I know it, general knowledge, I know it. Who is the president of this country? I know the name, I do it. I'm giving you example. English question, antonym, synonym, I know it, I take it, 30 seconds. So in the first hour, I think 30 to 40 question will be the questions in which you will take less than 1 minute. Listen carefully again. In entire 120 questions, entire paper of 120 questions, 30 to 40 questions will be such that they will take less than 1 minute, 30 seconds or something, because you know that. So what you have to do is start from the first question, second, third, fourth, fifth, keep going 120 question such that you attempt 60 to 70 question in first 1 hour, such that 30 question are taking 30 seconds. That means 15-20 minutes, and next 40 questions are going to take your 34 to 40 minutes. That is the strategy. Now what is to be done? I started first hour, I started with the first question. Second question I know, तो मैंने अपने पेपर पे, you have the scrap that particular pages, उसके ऊपर आपने लिख लिया second I attempted, because it is a computer based test. आपके पास it is not paper based test, you cannot tick. So what you do, paper होगा वहां पे, pen will be there. Second question you did, you wrote second question, I did it, right? Then third question I don't know, fourth question yes I know, fourth लिख लिया. Then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, let's say I missed it, ninth, you go to ninth and keep some kind of gap here, knowing कि इसके बीच में 3 आएगा, इसके बीच में जो आएगा, you keep a gap, but keep writing how many questions you have done. Why? Because the moment you come back, you should know first question I have not done, third I have not done, oh there are 3-4 questions I have not done, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, gap you should keep writing. This is the basically quickest, very fast process to know which question I have attempted. What is the target? I am to attempt 60 to 70 question in first hour. So how to make sure, how to know which question I have attempted? Paper hoga wahan pe, there is a paper, keep writing and keep the gap also, so that you can fit 5, 6, 7, 8 later on. That is the meaning of it. Now go through entire paper. Yes, I am to do that. Second, try 70 questions. That is my ideal expectation. If you want to score high, 70 is you have to do. But even if you do, let us say 60 question or 55, I am happy. But correct. Thumb rule is correct. So first 1 hour 50 to 60 correct, I am happy, because next 1 hour my target is 30 to 40 correct. Agree or not? So I am comfortable. So 50% correction is required, and believe me, those of you who will score 50% correct in the first hour, 100% they will score good scores, good basically score they will hit at the end of the day. So first hour 50% paper correct, that is a strategy. और उसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना है, पहले क्वेश्चन से लास्ट क्वेश्चन तक चलो, फुल कंसंट्रेशन, पीस माइंड पीसफुल, एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस. देयर आर सर्टेन ट्रिक्स, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट आल्सो. ओके, तो हमने क्या बोला? लेस देन 1 मिनट पर क्वेश्चन. Suppose one question is taking more than 1 minute. I thought it is easy, but it is not easy. I thought question is easy, but then I'm caught up. जैसे 1 मिनट हो गया, leave it. Don't get into the trap. Don't get into the trap. This question I thought is going to take 1 minute. Already it has taken 1.5 minutes. Come out of this track. Don't spend more time. You do not have time. Don't do that. So जैसे at the moment you get to know it is going to take more than 1.5 minutes. So where you have to draw the limit? 1.5 minute. Leave it. You may think I'm very close. Leave it. Don't go 1.5 minute, because in the exam you never know 1.5 minute kab ho gaya. So 90 second is the dead end. After that you have to stop it. Don't go there. Which section should I attempt, sir? Which section I think is easiest to score? Fast, speed, and only knowledge based, no calculation. GK, I think GK is there. English में एंटोनिम सिनोनिम आता है तो ठीक है, नहीं आता तो छोड़ो, वो लास्ट में चलते हैं 20 के अंदर. आई टोल्ड यू नो 20 क्वेश्चन ब्लाइंड गैस, वो लास्ट में चलेंगे. एंटोनिम सिनोनिम आता है तो 30 सेकंड, नहीं आता है तो गैस मारेंगे. सिमिलरली जीके आता तो है, नहीं है तो नहीं है, गैस मारेंगे. सो इंग्लिश एंटोनिम सिनोनिम. रीजनिंग you know, reasoning is time consuming, maths is time consuming. Reasoning and maths may keep one thing in mind. Reasoning and maths is to be done in the second part. That means not in first hour, but second half hour. But some question of reasoning will be easy. That is what you can attempt. So reasoning may be cautious, and maths and physics may be cautious. Now, as far as the maths and physics is concerned, you know that this topic I have done. Optics may, okay, diffraction, single slit experiment, I know it. न्यूमेरिकल है इसके अंदर, न्यूमेरिकल है, आई नो दिस, आई कैन सॉल्व इट. सो द टॉपिक इन विच यू आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन फिजिक्स, the best part is you will know, okay, this to I know, this topic I have done, this topic I have done, this is from photoelectric emission, this is from optics question, this question is from Newton's law of motion, this question is from vector. So I know this. So the topic in physics you are to attempt only those topics in which you are 100% sure that I will get it. What percentage of physics and what percentage of mathematics? In my opinion, out of 30 questions, target not more than 15 each from physics and maths, because others are going to take time. Listen carefully again. One question of GK and one question of physics, same marks. But one question of physics and one question of GK is not going to take same time. And mentally, psychologically, what we want? Mentally, psychologically, we want that first hour mein we should hit 60 correct. So it makes sense to shift physics and maths little toward the second side, not in the first hour. So first hour mein, sir, how many physics and maths? My limit is 15 each will be sufficient. That too from the topic which I know are my favorite topic and I can solve it. So this can be the domain for you. And this also I divide, this first hour also I divide into two parts: physics maths towards the second half, and first GK, English. And if you are going for airport operations, then all the aviation related terms and general principle of management should be done in the first hour, because if you know, it is okay. If you don't know, again shift it to the blind guess. So sir, aviation related terms, general principle of management, if I know it, 30 seconds se bhi kam, 10 second, not even 30 seconds, 10 seconds. So what is who is the chief of director general of civil aviation? You know the name, it's okay. You don't know the name, guess marenge. So GK, principles of business management, aviation related terms, this all is to be done in the first part, and physics maths I'm to shift to the second part. And this is how I'm to basically keep on shifting. Okay, now I go to second part of this. Next half hour again. Now next I started from the same series. Next half hour may I start from the same series. How much I should target, sir? 25 question. What is the time for me? 1 to 2 minutes. That is the next 25. So I've already attempted now, sir, let us say 60 question. Now in the second half hour I'm going to attempt, let us say, sir, now 25 question, right? So that makes me 85 to 90. How much are left? Now 30 are left. So last half hour will be 30. So next part will be 25 minutes, sorry, half an hour. In this I will try 25 question. Even if you go for 20 question, it is not a problem. Reduce the speed here. First May degree of difficulty was less, so your speed was more. Sir, how was the situation here? Question is very simple and the speed is more, accuracy is also more because question is simple. What happened in this? Sir, question degree of difficulty has increased. My speed I am to reduce my speed if I want accuracy. In the first part speed was more, this part speed is less because I'm exhausted also now after first hour and degree of difficulty has increased, but I don't want to compromise on speed. So 1.5 hour I do not want to compromise on accuracy. I want good accuracy. How much you attempted? Sir, I attempted 90 or I attempted 80, let us say. Was accuracy high? Yes, sir, accuracy was really high. And how much could you score in this? Sir, I could score 70 plus in this or 70, 80 plus in this. I could score that 75. Then the last part may, as I told you, 5, 6 will be guesswork for you. That will give you, and 10, 15 otherwise also you can score in the last half an hour. This is the situation here. Let's go to the last half an hour now. In the last half an hour now, let us say 25 to 30 questions are left. Now this 25 to 30 questions, what you have to do is this. You are not to leave any question unattempted. You are not to leave any question unattempted. So what you have to do is, these are the 30 questions left. Sir, should I now try to solve question which I think I can solve? Or should I start making the blind guess also? Answer is start making the blind guess also. Do not think that I will first go for the question which I know and then I will come back for the blind guess. Do not let yourself left with no time to make guess. Now third last part mein what you have to do is this. You have already attempted the previous questions and by now you know what is the pattern in the paper. What is the pattern in the paper? A is being asked, A is more correct or B is more correct or C is more correct. Let me tell you again, you have already attempted a 90 question and now you know you have ticked A, B, C, D choice, A, B, C, D. and you keep on writing on the paper. You remember the first slide which I showed you? This slide I showed you. Second, you have done. What is the correction? B. What is A? What is B? What is B? What is B? What is C? So from here, you will get some idea that what is the pattern, which correct answer, what is the pattern for that? This is my personal experience that paper setter has a pattern. He will put the correct answer at B or C somewhere like that. A और D में कम रखता है, B और C में ज्यादा रखता है. अब that is B or C will make a difference whether out of 20 blind guess you get 7 correct or you get 5 correct. That is basically the pattern which examination may paper setter will have. So identify that pattern and last के 20 question blind guess should all be B if you find B more, all be C if you find C more. That is what you have to do. This is how you have to go proceed forward in this particular part now. Now I think last part में, as I told you, no question is to be left unattempted. Now you have to follow elimination strategy in this. You have to go for blind guess in this. And if there is a question which might take more time, let's say there's a question of physics which might take more time, but you can solve it, keep it towards the last. So last 5 to 10 minutes you have to keep, okay, these are the 5 questions of physics or maths which I know, but they may take more time. So keep it to the last. Now I have attempted all the paper. Yes. Only 5 questions are left. Yes. Let's try these questions. If you get it, it's okay. Last 1 minute mein B I will do and come out of the paper. Are you clear in this now? Let me now tell you something more. English ke 20 question mein, if you know antonym, synonym, it's okay. If you do not know, blind guess, we will go for it. Speech, voice, jumbled sentences, not taking much time, but you have to go for that. Let me tell you another pattern. Sometimes you know in these kind of exams, C A B C D क्या है? C उसमें क्या choice आ रहा है? A B C D कुछ ऐसे भी choices होते हैं. 2 1 3 2. In that what you have to do is 2 2 3 4. High probability is A or B because 2 is coming 2 times. 1 1 1. Okay, 1 3. It cannot be there because 3 is coming only 1 time. 1 is coming 3 times. So probabilities of 1 more. 2 is coming 2 times. So I will go for this answer. This will give you 3-4 questions. Believe me, this is going to give you 3-4 questions, and this works. This very nicely works. This principle you remember. Second, elimination. Yes, elimination. So this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer. 50% probability. Go to the pattern. Okay, pattern में तो यार A नहीं आ रहा है. B ज़्यादा correct आ रहा है. So I will not go for A. I'll go for B. Why I will go for B, sir? Because the tendency of paper setter is he will not give answer at A or D. Normally he will give B at C, but you have to see that from the pattern. So I will go for this. And you know, quant reasoning is lengthy, mathematics is lengthy. Keep that in mind. Don't waste your time there. Aviation related terms, general principle of business management. If you know, you can answer. If you don't know, blind guess, but that will help you to save the time. Use that time in solving physics or math. So which part is not going to take time, sir? GK, aviation terms, the general principle of business management is not going to take time. Save the time and go into the examination hall. And what else I have written? Yes, how to attempt which is not attempted, that I have already told you. You have to see the pattern. So far whatever you have solved, just keep thing in mind. Okay, A B C D answer is B. What is the next answer? C. B C is coming more. It may be possible that majority pattern is D. पेपर सेटर को वैसा लगा D आंसर लगाना है. तो आउट ऑफ 120 क्वेश्चन, you know, 4 divide 30A, 30B, 30C will not be there. Out of 120 question, this will not be there. Normally this will be there. 40, 20, let us say 45, and whatever is left here. So I will go with C. And from where I get to know about this? That you get to know from the questions which you have already solved. But what about, sir, if it is very slow, it's very close, take a blind guess. Probability is 50%. Then blind guess, 50% probability, blind guess. Out of 20 things you guess, maybe you can get 6 or 7 correct. That is how it is to be done. The rest is take the name of Almighty and go to the examination hall, and you will do wonderfully good tomorrow. So after you watch this video, relax and now go there and go to the examination hall comfortably and share with me your good news tomorrow that, sir, I have done wonderfully good and now you are talking to ATC. All the best.